euthanasia. Others into pain. But greatness isn't handed to anyone. It is earned through sweat, through sacrifice, through showing up, even when no one is watching, even when you're tired, even when you're terrified. Discipline isn't glamorous, it's lonely, it's brutal, but it is the foundation of everything you want. You say you're tired? Good. Tired means you're working. Tired means you're in the fight. Tired means you haven't quit. And listen to me now. Don't you dare quit. Don't quit because you're not seeing results fast enough. Don't quit because others doubt you. Don't quit because your journey looks different. Don't quit because you're afraid. Fear is a liar. Doubt is a thief. Regret? That's the heaviest burden of all. If you fall, fall forward. If you cry, cry while crawling toward your goal. But never stop. Never stay down. Get up with fire in your eyes and purpose in your chest. Let your pain become fuel. Let your heartbreak sharpen your focus. Let your struggle write your legacy. Do it broke. Do it scared. Do it without support. Do it without applause. Do it when no one believes in you. Do it because no one believes in you. Prove them wrong. Not with anger, but with action, with consistency, with excellence. You weren't born to be average. You were born to elevate, to lead, to become the example, the inspiration. And if you ever wonder, why me? Let the answer be, because I'm strong enough, because I'm built for this, because I refuse to break. Your storm will pass, but who you become in the storm, that's what defines you. Listen closely. You don't need permission. You don't need the perfect plan. You don't need approval. You need conviction. You need fire. You need a made-up mind. So decide today to rise, to fight, to give this life everything you've got. Be relentless. Be unreasonable in your hunger. Be undeniable in your pursuit. Because the ones who make it aren't always the smartest, or the strongest, or the most talented. They're simply the ones who refuse to stop. So, no matter how heavy the burden, no matter how long the path, no matter how silent the nights, don't quit. Your breakthrough is already on the way.